Hello, I am Melenikou from the Center for Security Studies, also known as KEMEA, which is in Athens. And in DYNAMO I have the role of the project's ethics and legal manager, which means that my main responsibility is to work collaboratively with the partners and ensure that all the ethical procedures are followed in order to ensure compliance with the applicable legal framework and the ethical standards, and also to ensure compliance with the applicable legal framework as regards the DYNAMO solution that will be produced by the end of the project. Research ethics is pivotal in all research projects, so DYNAMO is not an exemption. What we have done so far is having drafted ethics guidelines and having presented them in the consortium during a webinar on ethics in order to familiarize the project partners with all the ethical and legal issues and make them understand what their responsibilities are. So I think that we are in a good position to claim that we are ready to follow everything that is included in the guidelines and to implement them during our research. So first of all, during the research, we have already identified the main ethical issues, which are related to human participation, processing of personal data, AI design and development, and potential misuse of research results. So we have already established specific procedures. For example, we need to ensure the voluntary participation of all people involved in our research activities. So we are following an informed consent procedure for both research and data processing. We have given valuable information to the AI designers and developers in order to design an ethical solution. And also we have a mitigation strategy for the prevention of misuse of our research results. From a solution perspective, apart from the research, we have identified the main legal issues which are related to cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, once again, and protection of personal data. So all these legislations will be included in our deliverable, and based on this applicable legal framework, we will define legal requirements in order to turn them into system requirements and technical specifications. So this is from an ethical and from the legal perspective, the work that has been done and our plans. So I think that the same as for everyone in the project. So in my case, I would like to see all of the partners collaborate well in order to ensure that we will produce a final solution that is secure and accepted and valued by the end users. And I would like to highlight that since we're dealing with critical digital infrastructure, it's important to involve the end users in this process, and that's what we're doing. So yeah, I would like to see a final solution really useful in the future, secure once again, and of course compliant with the applicable legal framework.